Let's look at some research methods, so official statistics, and we just want to know, how do different sociologists view official statistics? So firstly, our positivists, such as Durkheim, view official statistics as a social fact. And Durkheim used it in his research to prove that sociology could be studied scientifically and be measured as an objective thing that existed out there that can be seen as patterns and trends and so on. So they take statistics at face value, they see them as being something accurate and objective, and they call them a social fact. This is different from our interpretivists, who see official statistics as the product of social interactions between people, and they are the results of their actions. So whether it's between the police officer and a perpetrator, whether that appears on official statistics or not is dependent on whether they are viewed as a criminal, whether the police goes looking for it, whether it gets reported or recorded as a crime, for example. So they see it in a totally different way. So they disagree with our positivist. They see official statistics as a social construct. Marxists are also like our interpretivist, being very critical of official statistics. Instead, they see them as something that can be manipulated by the state in order to benefit the ruling class. So remember, our Marxists, they argue that society is a system based on inequality, and we need to justify that inequality, and one way is by using statistics, and that causes something called ideology, something like a brainwash, and those statistics can be manipulated into making us believe that something is true or not. So finally, our realists. Now, these are useful for when you're looking at your crime and deviance topic, and they see crime as a real problem that exists out there, and official statistics are a social fact. So they're very similar to our positivist, that they are measuring an objective reality that exists out there. And for realists, they see crime statistics as reflecting reality. It shows us the patterns of crime, and for realists, they want to come up with real solutions in order to tackle crime, in order to reduce crime, which is a real problem for the majority of people. So we've got 4 lots of sociologists who view official statistics in a totally different way. A little bit of a bonus. What do you think feminists might say?